Maybe there are still friends who are still confused about deleting files in Google Drive. But there are so many files to be deleted that it will be difficult to delete them one by one. So, I will share how to delete lots of them at once. Okay, straight away, Friends, click on one of the files in Google Drive. Then Friends, press the Control button and the A button on the keyboard to select or mark all the existing files. Then, Friends, pay attention to the three dots at the top of the file you selected. Click the three dots. Several options will appear. Select Move to Trash. So, the selected file will automatically be deleted and will be moved to the Google Drive trash. How about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to delete lots of files in Google Drive at once. I hope this tutorial is useful.